5 Best Dashcam on Amazon. Dashcams are becoming essential for drivers who want to record every moment on the road, from daily commutes to scenic drives, while providing peace of mind and crucial evidence in case of accidents or incidents. With new advancements in dashcam technology, today's models offer incredible features such as ultra-high-definition recording, 360-degree views, multiple camera channels, and advanced safety features. These devices not only capture what's in front of you, but also what's happening around your car, ensuring full coverage at all times. Previo 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam. The Previo 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam is a top choice for those looking to capture every angle around their vehicle. Unlike standard dashcams, this model provides full 360-degree coverage with 4 separate channels, allowing you to record the front, rear, and sides of your vehicle all at once. This comprehensive view means no blind spots are left unmonitored, making it ideal for both security and accident documentation. The high-definition footage it captures ensures every detail is clear, whether it's license plates, street signs, or unexpected obstacles on the road. What makes the Previo 360-degree dashcam stand out is its ease of installation and user-friendly interface. With simple mounting options and a straightforward setup process, even first-time users can get it up and running without hassle. Once installed, the dashcam's multi-channel recording system works seamlessly, recording each angle independently. This feature is particularly valuable in crowded urban settings, where unexpected incidents can happen from any direction. For drivers who spend time in busy city environments or those who frequently park in public areas, this dashcam provides unmatched security, ensuring you're always covered, whether you're on the move or parked. Another standout feature of the Previo 360-degree dashcam is its robust durability. Built to withstand varying temperatures and weather conditions, it's perfect for both hot and cold climates. This dashcam includes a powerful loop recording system, meaning old footage is overwritten only when the storage is full, so you'll never run out of space when you need it most. Red Tiger F7 and 4K Dual Dashcam. For drivers seeking ultra-high-definition video quality, the Red Tiger F7 and 4K Dual Dashcam is an excellent choice. This dashcam records in stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and Full HD for the rear camera, capturing every detail on the road with clarity that few dashcams can match. The 4K front camera resolution ensures that even minute details like license plates and street signs are easily discernible, making it a top pick for drivers who prioritize visual quality. This level of detail is particularly helpful in accidents or disputes, as the high-definition footage provides clear evidence. Beyond its impressive video quality, the Red Tiger F7 is equipped with a powerful Sony STR-VIS sensor that enhances night vision, making it ideal for low-light driving. Even in the darkest conditions, this dashcam captures clear, sharp images, ensuring visibility no matter the time of day. For those who frequently drive at night or in poorly lit areas, this feature adds an additional layer of security, as the dashcam captures high-quality footage regardless of lighting conditions. Additionally, the wide-angle lens on both the front and rear cameras ensures a broad view, covering multiple lanes of traffic and reducing blind spots. The Red Tiger F7 and 4K Dual Dashcam also includes advanced driver assistance features, such as lane departure and forward collision warnings, which enhance your driving safety. These features are designed to alert you to potential hazards, making your driving experience safer and more enjoyable. RUV R2 4K Dashcam. The RUV R2 4K Dashcam is renowned for its crystal-clear 4K video quality, offering drivers peace of mind with high-resolution footage that captures every detail on the road. This dashcam is particularly suited for drivers who want to capture scenic road trips, as its Ultra HD resolution beautifully showcases landscapes and cityscapes alike. With a 150-degree wide-angle lens, it covers a broad view of the road, ensuring no details are missed. The RUV R2 4K is perfect for those who want top-notch video quality and a compact, unobtrusive design. In addition to its outstanding video quality, the RUV R2 4K boasts a range of user-friendly features that make it a standout choice. This dashcam includes built-in GPS, allowing you to track your speed and location directly on the footage. For travelers and road trip enthusiasts, this feature is a great way to document your journey with detailed location data. Additionally, the GPS information can serve as valuable evidence in case of accidents, as it provides a record of your speed and position. The ROV app, Compatible with both Android and iOS, allows you to download and manage videos easily, ensuring you can access important footage whenever you need it. Another notable feature of the RUV R2 4K dashcam is its exceptional low-light performance. Equipped with an advanced Sony IMX 335 sensor, the R2 4K provides clear footage even in dim lighting, making it suitable for nighttime driving. Sarmer C1 5K dashcam. The Sarmer C1 5K dashcam offers one of the highest resolutions available on the market, delivering crystal-clear 5K footage that captures every detail on the road. This high-definition recording capability makes it an ideal choice for drivers who want to ensure they have a precise record of their surroundings, from road signs to other vehicles. With such high resolution, the Sarmer C1 stands out as one of the best options for those who need professional-grade video quality for potential evidence or simply for capturing beautiful drives. Beyond its impressive video quality, the Sarmer C1 is designed with durability and functionality in mind. This dashcam is built to withstand extreme temperatures, making it suitable for all climates. For those who drive in both hot and cold environments, the Sarmer C1's rugged design ensures it remains reliable and performs optimally regardless of weather conditions. In addition, it includes advanced features like loop recording, so you'll never run out of storage space, and a G sensor, which automatically locks files during sudden movements or accidents, reserving critical footage when you need it most. The Sarmer C1 5K dashcam also incorporates smart technology, including Wi-Fi connectivity and app support. This allows users to download, view, and share videos directly from their smartphones, making it incredibly convenient to access and manage footage. Thinkware U3000 dashcam. The Thinkware U3000 dashcam is a top-of-the-line option for drivers looking for a premium dashcam with cutting-edge features. This model provides ultra-high-definition recording with its 4K front and 2K rear cameras, capturing every moment on the road with remarkable clarity. Thinkware is known for its advanced technology, and the U3000 is no exception. It uses high-end sensors to deliver detailed footage in various lighting conditions, making it suitable for both day and night driving. The dual-camera setup is perfect for those who want comprehensive coverage, ensuring both the front and rear of the vehicle are fully monitored. One of the standout features of the Thinkware U3000 is its cloud connectivity, which allows users to access footage remotely via the Thinkware app. This feature is particularly beneficial for fleet managers or those who frequently park in public areas, as you can check on your vehicle from anywhere at any time. The U3000 also includes advanced driver assistance features like lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts, making it a helpful tool for enhancing road safety. For those who want a dashcam that offers both high-quality footage and smart safety features, the Thinkware U3000 delivers on all fronts. Additionally, the Thinkware U3000 dashcam includes features like supercapacitors for enhanced reliability in extreme temperatures and a built-in voltage monitor that prevents the camera from draining your vehicle's battery. These details make the U3000 a long-lasting and dependable choice for drivers who need a dashcam that can withstand tough conditions. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.